Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, or rather smartband. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on this smartband, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your smartband and flip it around. And on the back of the smartband you will see that in the place where the strap is connected with the band itself, there is this plastic lever, I would call it. And to remove the strap, we need to basically flip this lever by using our fingernail, for example, and pull it this way towards the strap. Once you pull it towards this strap, you will hear the click. It will kind of open, as you can see. And now we can simply remove the strap. Let's do the same for the second one. So pull the lever like that, it will click, and then you can remove the straps. And here we have our band and our straps. And to put the new straps on, you simply pick up your band, get the strap, and you put it in like this. And once you hear the click, it means that the locked in, and you can see it's holding. So let's do the same for the second one. Like that. Okay. And once you're done, you can use your new straps or the wristband. And that's how you change or remove the straps or the wristband on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.